Today is the day of change. Big changes. One, I got glasses. 10 years after having eye surgery, it's time to wear glasses again. I don't need to wear glasses. I can still see without my glasses, but I definitely like to see things a lot sharper. But that's not what we're going to be talking about. Ever since I got this e-bike, it has reignited a passion in me that has been sitting dormant for a long time. And I brought it up from time to time on the channel as something I'd like to do. And I finally decided to bite the bullet. That being said, I'm hoping the TJ is gone in a few weeks. Fedora's supposed to buy it. So, be one less vehicle. And the JK will probably be gone in a year. Hopefully, I'm going to get a Colorado. But I picked up something this weekend. It's going to change everything. It is springtime, and there's deals on bikes right now. I picked up this 2013 Triumph Explorer XC Tagger, 1200cc adventure bike. And it's going to open up a whole bunch of new opportunities for me. I have been wanting to get back into biking for a really long time. And this is definitely the opportunity to do that now. I think the whole idea of getting on the bike, cruising the back roads, getting out exploring again, that feeling of freedom of being on a bike is going to be pretty amazing. However, I ain't going to be driving this around the city. Calgary is full of idiots, and that's not going to happen. It's a good thing I live on the edge of the city, so I can just hop on Stony and I could be gone within a matter of minutes. This bike isn't perfect by any means. There's some things we gotta fix up on it. Nothing too major. This model of Triumph had the recall done on the heads recently, so top half of the engine. It's had the transmission rebuilt recently as well. It does have a few kilometers on it, but it's to be expected. Just get the key in there. Yeah, 61,000 K for an adventure bike. Still lots of life left in her. It's got nice tires. Looks like they're brand new. All ready for the off-road. Came with the luggage. Top, 2 side cases. A few little dings. He's got the signal light that's broken. And I got a new one coming in, but it's probably going to take like a month. So I'm probably going to 3D print something I could put over top. Light still works, but there's a little bit of moisture in there. And plastic is got a little hole right there, and this piece here could have been dropped once. Sheepskin or fake skin, probably not going to stay on. Gonna buff this cover out so it's all nice and bright, but yeah. Got myself an adventure bike, got a sweet deal. It's a little bit of a project, so it'll give me some different type of content for a while. Since all my Jeeps are done and need to change it up a little bit. Yeah, this year is going to be different. E-bikes, motorcycle. Going to spend a lot more time in the outdoors instead of just sitting around a fire drinking beer and flying a drone. Need to get a lot more active, that's for sure. I think I'm gonna need a haircut in the very near future as well. So that's probably right now. What are we looking at? Give or take. It's almost an inch. And then let's go 0.75. Yeah, 3/4 of an inch. Whipped up some brackets and Sending it to the printer. Alright, being sent to 3D printer. It says 46 minutes. I'll 3D print the Band-Aid for now. So I need to, besides for a helmet cam, got a microphone for inside the helmet, everything coming in. Trying to think of places where I could mount the GoPro camera. I guess I could mount one right here on this rail. Get some different ground shots. Can I catch the bar up top here or somewhere? Even like something right off the handlebar would be great as well. Tons of stuff I gotta figure out yet. I think it'll be alright. This will be my 4th bike. I haven't ridden a bike in 15 years. I'm just waiting for all new gear to come in. I want to change the oil. I want to go through like the air filter and all that stuff. But I think this is going to be good. It's like I'm telling you, I've been thinking about it for a long time, but when I was on that e-bike, and the e-bike has the throttle, it kind of like, man, I really need to get back out biking. Definitely. And here we are. Triumph. Explorer 1200 2013. Can't wait to get out and start riding. I just took the tape off and the stick, and I will tape it up, and these are my pieces I 3D printed for the time being. Alright. And put my little braces in there. It's not perfect, but it will last until the new light comes in. It's a lot more sturdier than the duct tape and the stick. Alright, motherfucking beer time. This is just a short video. It's an introduction. I already got tons of parts in the garage. Gonna start working on it. Gonna start getting this thing ready. Because in a few weeks, I hope to be out on the road and taking it a little easy at first, but I'm looking forward to exploring some backcountry on the adventure bike. Anyways, motherfucking beer time. Shut her down. If you guys have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, everybody. Motherfucking beer time! Yeah.